Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Shall we see a story today? Come, let's get into the video. The Leaf Boat. There was one lake and a huge banyan tree. On that tree, there was a nest of pigeon. There was a hole in the same tree in which lived one ant. One day it poured heavily. The level of water in the lake rose and water spreaded all over the area. The hole of the ant was also filled with water, so the ant was drowning. Pigeon saw the ant floating on the water and said, "Oh, he will drown." The drowning ant was shouting, "I think I won't be saved." To save her life, the pigeon quickly plucked a leaf and threw it down. Breeze was blowing heavily, so the leaf reached far away from the ant. Hence, pigeon plucked many leaves, one after another, and threw it down towards the floating ant. At last, one leaf reached very near the ant. The ant quickly climbed on the leaf. The leaf was like a boat for the drowning ant. Sitting in the boat of leaf, she reached a safe place. The rainy days were over. One day, the ant came out of the hole. With a tiny vision, the ant saw that the hunter held his aim at the pigeon sitting on tree. The ant breathed deeply. She began to run. She quickly reached the feet of the hunter and bit him very strongly. At that very moment, the arrow was released from the hunter's bow. Being bitten by the ant badly, the hunter missed the aim. The arrow went very near from the pigeon. The pigeon quickly flew away. The ant took a sign of relief. Moral: friend in need is friend indeed. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet again with another interesting video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.